less fortunate. Thus, this is a win-win situation.
Online advertising and promotions. As DSA has received many donation items from public, we need to somehow promote them. So we use this digital camera to take pictures of them, these items, and then put them into the web. And this will somehow create awareness to the public and will thus increase in sales. And these learning digital camera and computer skills are quite simple skills, but they are actually quite hard for Down syndrome people to learn. So it's quite useful for them. Next, the round-the-clock surveillance. As you know, the theft rate has increased over the years, and somehow we need to stop. We need to prevent it. So we installed a webcam in the thrift shop so that it would enhance the shop security and try to minimize the losses. Now we'll show you the 3D view of the thrift shop itself.
Yeah, so this is the overview of the thrift shop, and here, which is the cashier, and here is the thrift shop. As you can see, there is a wall barrier in between here, which blocks the view from the cashier here to see anything happening on the thrift shop. And therefore, implement a webcam here, which will reflect all the direction here through the full left mirror here. So the cashier people who are at the cashier are able to see what is happening here through this desktop transmitted from the camera, the webcam here. And at the other side of the cashier shop, where is the one-stop service center, which will be located at here. It's located at here because people, this is the law of the thrift shop. So when people just come in, they can immediately see the one-stop service center. And this is the desktop, the printer, and the touchscreen IQ700. So basically, people can print their documents using their thumb drives at here and print it at here. Yeah. And now we will continue our presentation slides. And so what's the point of having so many IT equipment without anyone to guide them, teach them? So basically, the training will be provided by DSA staff and voluntary from TP Student Club. We will provide them with necessary skills to operate these IT equipment. And with this IT equipment, we can at least move with the society and not being dragged too far behind. And eventually, with more skills, they are more valued, they are more capable, and their employment rate will increase when they go outside and work.
So, in conclusion, with these IT products, it can improve DSA efficiency and effectiveness,
Equip Down syndrome people with IT skills, improve interpersonal skills,
and more importantly, to increase the chance of being employed. So we here hope that TP and HP can work together to provide these IT skills equipment to these Down syndrome people. Yeah. And we have come to the end of our presentation. Any questions?
What would you say is the main objective?
Actually, our main objective is to help these Down syndrome people to equip with more skills because they cannot learn complex things. So we are trying our best to teach them with everything they can learn. And hopefully, when they are out of the society, they can at least do jobs like photo printing and more jobs option for them. And hopefully, these employers will more willing to hire them.
Where is your thrift shop located? It already exists, right?
Yeah, it exists.
Where is it
open for
located?
3 months. It's been open for 3 months. It's located at Teluk Belakang.
Nearby.
Very
nearby.
Yeah, it's quite nearby.
it's a neighborhood area. Actually, it's down the
HDB flat.
Yeah.
I didn't get the address, but don't think about it.
So just now the block the wall which block the view is cannot be removed. That is HDB flat.
Okay. But so, I mean, not so much a question, but on a related point, I used to send my daughter for tuition in Bukit Batok. one corner, and there's this barber, 2 chairs, and 5 computers. I mean, he's a barber, Malay barber. And every time I go there to get my haircut while waiting for my kid, it's like the place is full of children playing games. So he earns probably more money from his PCs, and he also sells PCs and parts to the locals. He makes more money from there than cutting hair. That's one part. The second thing is, he told me that in the mornings, he gets a lot of business customers. Morning, everybody's in school, right? Okay, a lot of residents come down to do email, to create business letters, to send out their resumes and all that. And he makes from them as well. And then he brings, so very similar to what they're doing, this guy is doing, and if you can get the DS people to do that, that's fantastic. You know, get them to learn to operate this stuff. So instead of just having 1 or 2 PCs there, you may want to have 5 or 6. And consider opening it up to games for children, especially during school holidays. I mean, like it or not, games actually do teach kids something useful. And there are people around to supervise, so those kids are not going to be able to do anything funny on the computers. So that would be a good thing to look at.
If our proposal is maybe we will think of like add more computers after that.
And actually there is one more challenge because the tree shop, right, is not as big as you think, so it's quite yeah.
Do you have a broadband connection in there already?
Yeah, there is wireless there.
Okay, and who's paying for that broadband connection? Is it done through is your school contributing that, or the thrift shop covers it under that?
Thrift shop covers.
Yeah.
What's your monthly revenue like from sales of internet?
Actually, we're not sure because they don't quite like good for
Yeah, confidential.
Okay.
Yeah.
But are they breaking even? Doing quite well? I mean, does it contribute positive cash flow to the organization, or is it more
From what we see, there's quite a customer flow in there during those weekdays. Those HDB flats, aunties, uncles will come down. And there's a school nearby will also come down and buy their equipment. Because they sell all kinds of things. So they will just buy and cheap and buy for their project use or other purpose.
Yeah, to add on, although those good merchandise are second hand, but are in good conditions one, and selling at a cheaper price, like a book like this size only $2 or $3 only. Then the bigger one maybe 5. Then the expensive one, I think it's around 20 or 10 to 20 only. So it's very cheap. I think it's quite hard for them to earn more other than just selling the second hand. So we come out with this proposal.
But wanted to promote some of the products to your website as well. So is there a current website?
Yes. It's www.esa.com.sg.
you should build it for them? You build it for them?
No, they fill up already. They don't have upload. They don't upload those merchandise picture on the website.
They haven't done it because they don't have any IT problems with that.
Yes.
Like the camera.
So will your team be acting as consultants and developers to do that for them? Are you more IT people or business people?
We are from business IT.
Okay, but are you in a position to actually help them build the software or to pick up something in the cloud that they can do with this?
Not in a position, but then we will try to help volunteer, like help what we know, what we can.
What we have learned.
Yeah, but then there are DSA staff, there are other staff who may know more experience in those IT products thing.